In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to actually go ahead and withdraw money from Prizepicks, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do. Now, this is the most up-to-date article as of March the 12th, 2024. Just bear in mind this could have changed since, so what I will do is leave a link to this article in the description down below. But to go ahead and withdraw funds, you can, as you see here, request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, what you're going to want to do is navigate to the menu located in the top left hand corner of the Prizepicks app. If you are accessing your account on a PC or laptop, the menu is in the top right hand corner. From here, you're going to see an option which says request withdrawal. Now, once you select that, you're going to receive a one-time password code which will be sent by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. We will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So there's a couple of things to bear in mind, and that is that Prizepicks has a 1 times playthrough requirement. So what this basically means is you need to play through all deposited funds at least once before withdrawing them. So as an example, if your initial deposit was $25, you must play through the entire $25 worth of entries before you can actually withdraw any money. Now, entries must be placed using credit funds, not promo funds, in order to count towards your playthrough requirement. Just to note that any inaccurate banking account information can also cause withdrawal requests to fail. If this does happen, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance and you will be able to go ahead and create a new withdrawal request. Withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Apple Pay and credit cards may only be used for deposits, but not for withdrawals. Now, there is a minimum amount for withdrawals, which is $10. If you do try to request a smaller amount, then of course that's going to fail. You're not going to be able to do that. And only one withdrawal request is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. Also, if your net winnings do exceed $600 for the calendar year, you will need to file tax paperwork, which there is a link here where you can see full details for taxes. So that's a quick overview on how to withdraw money from Prizepicks. With that being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. That being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.